Emptying the mind. The mind does not really exist. That it does not exist means it exists. Though this seems to mean two completely different things, polarities always coincide. Emptying the mind does not mean emptying a mind that never existed. It means to eliminate the individual mind. The individual does not exist, but because he has a life, he has a mind, which means that mind, that thought mass, is his self. And that self was created. In other words, his thought mass became immanent due to his karma and habits. Therefore, emptying the mind means becoming free of the thought mass.